Hello and welcome to Art with Shannon. In this tutorial we will be making a do-it-yourself envelope or a purse. You will need paper, glue, scissors and colours. Let's begin by folding your page about a third along the length. Next, take your scissors and cut the extra piece into a triangle shape. Glue down the sides of the folded page. You can cut it into a different shape if you want to. When you are ready, fold down your triangle. And that's basically your envelope. You can now decorate and color it in. As a bonus, take the extra paper and add a piece to fold it over, like a lock or a clasp. You can use this envelope to send kindness notes, thank you letters, photos or small gifts. This envelope can help you pay it forward. It can also be turned into a fashionable purse or handbag. And there you go. Kind people are my kind of people. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.